Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today in the hot wrench fabrication shop, I actually get to work on my own car. Not that I've really needed to, because it's actually been pretty reliable lately. But I had a semi-catastrophic failure at the dunes last time. Probably had been this way for a while, because I thought I heard a little bit of clunking every now and then. But it was a little bit more than a little clunk. It was a big clunk. So here's the problem. This is the control arm, and this is broken. So the whole entire control arm was busted loose from the frame, and this is the only one that was holding it on. So luckily, I didn't lose the whole arm, which I very well could have. If this side broke, then this whole entire arm comes off, and your CV pops apart, and your brake line comes off, and you're dangling just from your shocks and your sway bar, and that would have been bad. So today, I get to take all that apart and put these on there. These are some laser cut tabs, pretty much the same thing that's on there. I would like to reinforce them. I bought two sets for each side, but I think what I want to do is actually cut it off right here, take this plate and weld it to this one and actually double the size of it. I think that would help out, just make it a little bit stronger. Anytime you break something, you always want to make it stronger so it doesn't break. It had 1/2-inch bolts in there before, which were horrible. It's not nearly as big enough. Usually they put 3/4 bolts in there, but I drilled it out and put 5/8, and this thing held up for quite a while, but she ain't good no more. This side over here, I don't really see any cracks. Looks like it may have been welded at one point, but I'll take all that off someday and reinforce that too. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So that's what I'm working on today. So I will film all this and show you guys how I do it. Well, here's the pieces. Here's a clean brake. Looked like it's kind of been that way for a while. Kind of has some beat marks on there, but yeah, definitely got lucky. I'd already reinforced it once, just the hole, because the holes were getting wallowed out. So the whole part worked, but the bracket failed. So she broke off pretty good. Little tough to get into there and grind it, but all in all, not a bad repair. Just clean that up, bolt it back onto the arm, put the arm in position, and then tack it, and then go back and weld it. So pretty simple. All right, there's the first bracket. All cleaned up. Always do the first one, or easiest one first. This one gonna be a little challenging with that brake line right in the way, and I really don't want to have to redo the brakes or bleed them, but I might have to. I don't know. We'll see. I can get to, yeah, I don't know. That's not cool. Kind of right in the way. I'll probably take the brakes off and bleed those. Dang it. Yeah, this one's a mess. All right, we'll see. Alrighty then. That goes on there like that. That goes on there like that. So basically all I have to do is just bolt it back onto here. That'll give me my spacing. And then rock it back into place and tack weld it. But first I'm going to reinforce these. Alright, so I got my pieces all cut out. And what I did was I took this shoulder bolt. A little shoulder on there. The shoulder bolt's exactly 5/8. And it fit through the hole perfectly. So now I could just line the two edges up, clamp them together, and then TIG bug the whole thing all the way around. I can get a nice bead around there. And then when I weld it onto the car, it'll be twice as thick. So I think that'll work. I'm going to give that a go. Give it a go, see how it works. There we go. She's all welded together. Kind of crappy looking weld, but hey, it'll stick. Dime-ish. Looks more like a pocket full of change that you just threw on the cabinet, on the counter, I mean. But yeah, that's all right. That's gonna work. So let those cool down, and then we'll put them on there. See how it turns out. All right, looks like it fits. So I just kind of have it mocked up, but this bolt is in almost. Gotta finish putting it in, but just roughly sitting there. Looks like it lines back up nicely. A little bit of a gap to fill, which is actually good. That'll give me some good penetration. So I will kind of tack those on there and then take it back off and weld it up. I like it. Looks like it's gonna work. Okay. Little tack welds. Some little spots on there. Just want to hit it around a couple different spots. Got one up here, each end here, inside, outside. So it should hold it. I'm gonna take a little back part, weld it, paint it. We're back in the dunes, baby. Okay, it's all done. Kind of blobby, but a little hard to weld up there, but I got it. It's all welded top, bottom. So just put on a little paint, put it back together. All right, that's it. Done. See there? Nice little bracket. A little bit of paint on there. Of course, it doesn't match the powder coat exactly, but it's close enough. Not going to be able to see it. Good repair, all finished. So, kind of clean up the car a little bit and load it back up. Getting ready to go to dunes next weekend, so should be ready to go. This thing is fun. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you want to see more of these kind of videos. I started off doing some repair videos and then kind of got away from it. They're actually pretty time consuming. And then I was just doing dunes videos, which a lot of you guys seem to enjoy. So I'm gonna try and do some more of these repair videos now that I have a little bit more time. And we'll see how it goes. But thanks for watching.